back to Cawthorne Creations. This is just a quick video on what to do if you have contaminated epoxy on your stuff. Now, what I mean by contaminated, I mean like if you have pets, you can get pet hair or your own hair, or like I live in Texas, gnats. Gnats are real huge right now for some reason. That twice a year they get real bad. Flies. Short of actually creating a clean room in your house, is about the only way to keep the contaminants down. I don't know of any other way. I'm definitely open to suggestions if you got any. But I had a problem yesterday with a couple of them on a turner. And basically what I did yesterday was, I have a pair of tweezers. And you can use any kind of tweezers you want. These ones just come with a set I got at Walmart. They're actually pretty cool. But I picked it off because I caught it early enough. I caught the epoxy was still pretty soft. So I just removed as much of the fly as I could get. I used this to try to kind of drag it to either the bottom or the top and try to smooth it out as much as I can. And then I used my trusty heat gun to soften the epoxy and kind of smooth it out, and that worked like a charm. That made it where I didn't have to go in, sand it down, you know, and then do another layer and then risk the whole problem again of a bug or something. Now, I do know that if you are one that likes to use a torch to remove your bubbles, or if you're lucky enough you don't have to worry about the bubbles on the epoxy, good for you. But if you use a torch will tend to burn away any lint or dust or even hair. I have a friend of mine that uses a torch exclusively whenever she does it. So there's that option. I don't do the torch. I have before, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to constantly have to worry about refilling it. Where the heat gun, it removes the bubbles and you don't have to worry about refilling it. You just have to worry about electricity. This particular cup, if you're curious, is the Dragon Ball Z cup I'm doing for my son. And this one is a part of what I call my apothecary jars. You can actually use them for all kinds of things. Soap dispensers, utensil holders, candle holders. You know, they're really versatile, and they turn out really cute when they're done. You should totally check out the video on that one. I'll put a link in this video so you can check it out. But that's just something real quick. These tools like this come in so handy. I mean, I don't necessarily use it for spreading, though I have. Tweezers, like I said, super duper helpful. You know, any silicone based utensils really do help when it comes to epoxy because they're so easy to clean off and they're reusable, so you don't have to waste a lot of money buying more stuff. You know, this stuff gets expensive as it is, so, you know, save money where you can. So until next time, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you. Bye.